All right, so I just stumbled on something that genuinely caught me off guard. And trust me, I don't get surprised easily anymore. This platform, it's doing things I've been waiting months for other tools to figure out. And somehow, almost nobody's talking about it yet. We're talking Sora 2, VEO 3.1, GPT Image 2 models, and multi-character lip sync for up to 4 people, all in one place. Free trial with credits to get started, no GPU needed, no fancy setup. Stick with me for the next few minutes because I'm about to walk you through the entire thing step by step so you can start using it today. So here's the deal. Most AI video tools right now are either expensive, hard to use, or they give you results that look off. You know what I mean? Warped faces, jittery motion, lips that don't match the audio. But this platform, it's different. It's got clean outputs, realistic motion, and it handles multiple AI models without breaking a sweat. And yeah, it's actually beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a tech wizard to figure it out. Now, quick heads up, the platform has a free plan with credits to get you started. If you're planning to use this stuff commercially, like for client work or selling content, you'll want to look at the paid plans, which unlock full commercial rights. But for testing, learning, and personal projects, the free tier is more than enough to see what this thing can do. In this video, I'm going to show you how the interface works, how to generate content using different models, how to do multi-character lip sync with up to 4 people, 0 distortion. And at the very end, I'll reveal a bonus feature that can take your videos from good to insane. And by the way, if you want to go even deeper and learn how I'm actually making money with AI tools like this, I've got a full breakdown inside my school community. The link is in the description. I go into the strategies, the workflows, the income breakdowns, all of it. But for now, let's jump into the platform. Okay, so this is what we're working with. Right off the bat, you can see it's not just another random AI site. This thing is built like an all-in-one content studio. You've got VEO 3.1 and Sora 2 for video generation, instant storyboard tools, character consistency features, a full suite of image editing models, including GPT Image 2. And if you scroll down, there's a tutorial section that actually explains how to use everything. Super helpful if you're just getting started. Now, I'm not going to waste time showing you every single button. Instead, I'm going to walk you through the features that actually matter, the ones that'll help you create content that stands out. Let's start with something simple but powerful. First up, the Chat to Edit tool. This is where you can upload an image and tweak it using text prompts. Think of it like Photoshop, but you just describe what you want instead of manually editing. I'm going to upload this character here. Let's call her Zara. She's wearing a denim vest, holding a camera, street photographer vibe. Now I'll select the Nano Banana Pro model and type in a prompt. Place Zara on a rooftop at sunset, holding the camera up to her eye, taking a photo. Keep the outfit and appearance exactly the same. Hit generate, and boom. Look at that. Same character, same vest, same face. But now she's in a completely different scene. And it didn't just slap her into a new background, it actually integrated her into the environment. The lighting matches, the angle makes sense, the consistency is rock solid. This is huge if you're building a story or trying to keep a character recognizable across multiple scenes. And the best part? You can keep going. Generate 5 different scenes with the same character, same style, and it'll stay consistent the whole way through. All right, now let's talk about one of the most underrated features on this platform. And honestly, one of the reasons I'm even making this video, lip sync. Not just basic lip sync. I'm talking about clean, realistic, motion-accurate lip sync that doesn't make your character look like a glitchy cartoon. So here's how it works. Click on the lip sync tool. Upload a character image. I'm using this one. Woman in a leather jacket, confident expression. Now, you can either upload your own voiceover or pick from the platform's built-in voices. They've got a solid library, different accents, tones, male, female, all that. For this demo, I'm uploading a short audio clip I generated earlier. Something simple. This workflow changed everything for me. I can finally create content that looks professional. Once the audio uploads, you can preview it before generating. Let's do that real quick. Cool. Now I'll hit generate. Takes about 10 seconds, and here's the result. This workflow changed everything for me. I can finally create content that looks professional. Okay, pause. Look at the mouth movement. Look at the timing. There's no lag, no weird jaw stretching, no robotic stiffness. It's smooth, it's natural. It looks like an actual person talking. And that's with zero manual tweaking. I just uploaded the image and the audio, and the platform did the rest. This alone is worth using. Now here's where it gets even better. Most platforms can't handle more than one character at a time, but this one, it can sync up to 4 people in the same video using just one image. Yeah, you heard that right. 4 characters, all talking, all synced perfectly. Let me show you with 2 first, then you'll get the idea. I'm uploading this image here. 2 people at a cafe. Let's say they're discussing a project. Once it uploads, both faces will pop up on screen. I'll select both of them, then hit next. Now you'll see a timeline with speaker A and speaker B. For speaker A, I'll upload this audio. Have you tested the new features yet? For speaker B, I'll upload this. Yeah, I ran through everything yesterday. It's way faster than I expected. Now I'll arrange them on the timeline so speaker A talks first, then speaker B responds. You can adjust the timing, add pauses, make it feel like a real back and forth. Let me preview it first. Perfect. Now, let's generate. Here's the result. Have you tested the new features yet? Yeah, I ran through everything yesterday. It's way faster than I expected. Look at that. Both characters are synced perfectly. The lips match the audio. The timing feels natural. It genuinely looks like a real conversation. And remember, this came from one image, 2 people, 2 voices, 1 click. Now imagine doing this with 3 or 4 people, a panel discussion, a family dinner scene, a group podcast, all from a single photo. If you're making short films, social content, educational videos, tutorials, anything where dialogue matters, this is a massive time saver. All right, let's move on to the main event, video generation. Click on AI video, and you'll see a full list of models to choose from. Some are included in the free plan. Some require credits or a paid plan. You can filter by style, by speed, by output quality. For this test, I'm going to use Kling 2.5 Turbo and run a motion-heavy prompt. Here's what I'm typing. A drone flies low over a mountain trail, weaving between pine trees, then rises above the tree line to reveal a valley below. This is a good test because it involves physics, motion, and spatial awareness. Let's see how it handles it. Hit generate, and here we go. Okay, that's clean. The motion is smooth. The trajectory makes sense. No weird glitches or frame skips. Now, let me try something else. I'll upload this image of a man standing on a bridge at dusk, and I'll switch to a more cinematic model. Prompt camera slowly pushes in as city lights flicker on in the background. Shallow depth of field, warm color grade. Generate. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. The lighting is warm. The motion is subtle but impactful. It feels like a real shot from a short film. And again, this took less than 30 seconds to generate. You've got multiple models here, so depending on what you're making, you can pick the one that fits your style. Realism, animation, product shots, whatever. Now, if you want to take things even further, this platform also supports Lora training. What does that mean? Basically, you can train the AI to generate images or videos in a specific style. Your style, your character, your brand. It's a bit more advanced, but once you've got it set up, you can generate content that looks consistent across the board. No more random outputs. Everything stays on brand. And then there's the Storyboard feature. This one is seriously underrated. It lets you map out an entire video sequence, frame by frame, before you even generate anything. Think of it like a director's previs tool. You plan the flow, the transitions, the pacing, and then you let the AI bring it to life. Honestly, this is way more useful than Sora 2's Storyboard because the output here is way more consistent. Let's talk images for a second. The platform has some of the top-performing text-to-image models built in. Flux 1, GPT Image 2, and a few others that are ranking really high right now. Here's a trick I've been using. Type a prompt like this. Portrait of a musician in a recording studio, headphones around neck, dim red lighting, vintage microphone in foreground. Then generate using Flux 1. Here's the result. Look at that. It's sharp. It's realistic. The depth of field is on point. It doesn't look like an AI image. It looks like a photo someone actually took. Now, from here, you can edit it even further. You can swap faces, change expressions, convert it to video, remove or add objects, all inside the same tool. For example, I can click on Expression Edit and change the character's mood. Maybe they were serious. Now they look excited, or thoughtful, or focused. This is huge for storytelling because you can control the emotion without regenerating the whole thing. Another tool worth mentioning, the product background feature. If you're doing e-commerce content, this is a lifesaver. You upload your product shot and the AI swaps out the background for something clean and professional. No green screen, no manual masking, just upload and adjust. And everything you generate gets saved in your workspace, so you can revisit it anytime. Super convenient if you're working on a long-term project. Again, if you're planning to use these outputs for commercial purposes, like selling products or running ads, make sure you're on a paid plan. The free tier is great for testing and personal use, but commercial rights are locked behind the paid options. Alright, so here's the part I teased at the beginning. Once you've generated your video, whether it's from a prompt, an image, or a lip sync, you can run it through the enhancement tool. This thing sharpens the motion, improves clarity, stabilizes the frame, and basically makes everything look way more polished. Let me show you a quick before and after. Here's the original video I generated earlier, the drone through the forest scene. Now here's the same video after running it through the enhancer. See the difference? The edges are crisper, the motion is smoother, the colors pop more. It's not just a subtle improvement, it genuinely makes your content look more professional. And it's one click. That's it. So yeah, that's the platform. It's fast, it's powerful, and it's got a free plan with credits to get you started. No GPU, just sign up and start creating. If you've been waiting for an AI video tool that actually delivers on what it promises, this is it. Now, if you want to go even deeper, if you want to learn how to turn tools like this into actual income, check out my school community. I break down the strategies, the workflows, the monetization methods. The link is in the description. And hey, if this video helped you out, drop a like, share it with someone who's into AI, subscribe if you want more content like this. I've got more videos coming soon, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's next. Catch you in the next one.